What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Rafael and I talk all things affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and I share the latest tactics on how to do so. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get my latest video, okay? Now, with that being said, we're going to just jump right into this video, and today we are going to be talking about the easiest way to make money online with affiliate marketing using a website. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create a website. Okay, and we're going to go over everything from how to find a niche, how to find a product, and we're going to just create a simple website using one of my favorite website builders, Builderall, of course. And we're going to just show you how to use the platform really quickly, create content, and I'm going to show you how to rank on Google. Okay, so you can start making commissions 24/7. Okay, that is one of the main benefits of having a website, is that your website runs 24/7, so that means you can make money while you sleep. Okay, so let's just jump right into this video, and what you're going to need first is a website builder. Now I recommend Builderall. Builderall is, I've been using this for over a year now. This is what I use for all my websites, my sales funnels, and my email marketing, and it's only $30. There is a 7-day trial in the description, so be sure to try it if you want to create a website. Okay, now once we have chosen a website builder, you can also use Wix and maybe Squarespace as well, but in this case we're going to use Builderall here, and we're going to be using the drag and drop pixel perfect website builder. Okay, and we are going to be searching for a blog. Okay, so as you can see, there's a tons of different blogs we can choose from, but in this case I already chose a simple blog here, and what I love about Builderall is that it is mobile responsive and it's drag and drop. Okay, so that means you literally can move the image, or you can move text around anywhere you like, and that is how you can edit the website quickly. Now, okay, so here we open up the website builder, and as you can see, this is what we'll be using to create our website. So first we are going to go ahead and find a niche, and in this case I'm going to be promoting Amazon Associates products. Okay, we're going to be creating an Amazon Associates website, and I already gone ahead and found a niche and a product. Okay, and how you do this is you head over to Amazon.com, right, and you come over here to this little hamburger thing icon, and you come over to shop by department. Okay, now how I find a product is I typically find a product that is on the higher expensive side, maybe more than $100 or more, or maybe $50 or higher, and that is because you want to promote a product that you can actually make a little bit more money with. Okay, if I was going to promote a book, I wouldn't make a higher commission. Okay, and that is why I like to promote more expensive products. Maybe if you want to go into the electronic niche, or maybe you want to go into the baseball niche or soccer niche, and you can basically just pick products to promote in that niche. Okay, so that is what led me to this niche, and this is the camping niche, and I'm going to be focusing this website on backpacks. Okay, I'm only going to be creating content around backpacks. Okay, so I went ahead and picked this product. This is I think it's just a hiking backpack. Alright, so now once we have that, we're going to go to our builder. Okay, and we're going to start creating our content. Alright, so here we are on our blog, and we're going to go to the blog manager here, and these are all our articles here, and this is how we're going to edit these articles. We're going to click on this blue button here, and this is going to bring up our content here, our images, our text, and we can also tag our content so it can rank better. Okay, but I'm going to go into SEO later in this video, and you will probably like that, and it'll help you rank on the first page of Google so you get more traffic to your affiliate site. Now I'm going to create an article very quickly, and I will be back once I have done that. Okay guys, I'm back here, and this is the article that I created here. It's a short little article reviewing this backpack, talk about the pros, the cons, and my final verdict is on the backpack, what I think about it. But yeah, this is very simple to create here. Here goes the title, here goes the date you can post it. This is how you can schedule the post. You can add images here, you can add a video. And now I'm going to show you how to put in your affiliate links. So here we have the where you can buy it, and of course we're going to say you can buy it from Amazon. We're going to come over here to our product here, and if you sign up for the Amazon Associates platform, you're going to come over here to the stripe here. You're going to get a text link, and you're going to copy this link, and this is your affiliate link. Okay, that means that if anybody clicks on this backpack and buys through your link, you're gonna get a commission. Okay, and I think it's like $5, something like that, around $5-6 for this product. But honestly, if you're able to have your website running 24/7 and you're able to get traffic every single day, you're gonna get hundreds of hits to your site, and they can buy multiple products. So you can easily make at least $100 to $200 a day doing this method. Okay guys, so we're gonna come here to Amazon, and we're gonna highlight it, and we're going to go to our link here, and this is gonna bring a pop-up, and we're gonna select web address. Okay, we're gonna take them to a web address once they click on this link, and that is our link. And I like to do open to a new tab, so that way they don't leave our website, and it opens up a new tab to Amazon. Now I'm going to add one more affiliate link here to the main title here, the title of the article. Okay, and that is done. And now we have our categories. You can add more tags. We're going to publish this and just give it a minute. Okay. Okay, and now we are going to edit this page here. I'm sorry, this image, and we're going to change it to one of our main images we want people to see as the main image. Okay, so that looks good. So this backpack is called the Mountain Top 65 Liter Backpack Review, and that's it, guys. That is how you publish your first article. Okay, and we're gonna actually save it, and we're gonna see how it looks on our blog. Okay, so as you can see, it is a little blurry, so we're gonna have to fix the image size, but I won't be showing you that here. You can just go back and fix it. But let's look at how this page looks already published. Okay, so this is how it looks. Of course, you're gonna want to edit this blog. You're gonna have to make it your own. You're gonna have to brand it with a logo here, and you're gonna have to brand it with a domain name, which you can do by going to GoDaddy, and that's a whole process in itself. I'm not gonna cover that here. You can watch other tutorials, do that. But you can use Fiverr to create a logo for your niche site. And this is how the article looks, guys. So it looks pretty good. And now I'm going to be showing you how to start ranking this affiliate site, doing all these SEO techniques, and so you can start getting traffic to your niche site. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to come to the layout here, and we're going to make a little bit of changes here, and you're going to want to have a title here for this main page, and it's going to be the main name for your blog. So in this case, we're going to do amazing backpacks. Okay, and we can do a description here. This is going to help with SEO as well. So here is a description here. And we're going to have some keywords here. And how you separate your keywords is you use a comma in between each keyword. So that means you can rank for those keywords. Okay, so we're going to do best camping backpacks. Okay, so camping backpack reviews. Okay, and so we're going to be ranking for those two main keywords. We're going to add only a few. We're not going to add more than 5. Okay, that way it's easier for Google to see what we want to rank for. Okay, meta tags, we won't worry about that now. You can add a Facebook pixel so you can later retarget people, or you can capture data on people who visit your website. You can also add analytics, which I highly recommend you add Google Analytics to your website so you can learn more about who's on your website, what countries visit, and you can do some pretty cool stuff with Google Analytics once you install that. You can also add more scripts, and what you're going to want to do to index this website by Google, and that means how to get it ranked on Google, is you're going to come over here to Google Webmaster Tools, and this is how you're going to be found on Google. Okay, and you simply sign in with your Gmail, and once you have a domain name for your blog, okay, so that is like bestcampingbackpacks.com. Once you have that, you're going to upload that to Google Webmaster Tools, and you're going to confirm on your website. And then you're going to be able to rank your website. I'm going to go more in depth on the SEO techniques in another video. This is going to be just like a part 1 kind of how to create a website for a niche site. Okay, it's a pretty lengthy process, but it's actually very simple, guys. Alright guys, so this is basically a quick tutorial on how to create a website from scratch, how to create content, how to find a niche, how to find a product, and basically how to rank your site on Google using Google Webmaster Tools and doing basic on-page SEO, which I covered here in this video. Okay, so I went over how to find a niche, like I mentioned, how to find a product, how to build a site using a website builder, and basically how you rank this website is by creating daily content. And I typically recommend you create articles in around 1,000 to 3,000 word articles almost every day if you can. You can also outsource this if you would like. I typically recommend that as well. But you're definitely going to want to create content, and that is how you're going to create traffic. Okay, you're going to create free traffic, people coming to your blog, seeing the content, and then clicking on your affiliate links so you can generate a commission. Okay. I do have a video on how to do SEO for affiliate marketing websites, which I'm gonna have a annotation or a notification here that you can click on, and that will take you to another video on how to rank a website. But yeah guys, hopefully you got some value out of this video and you learned something, and maybe you can implement this to a new affiliate site that you're creating. But other than that guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.